Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTD. This Silverado is the LT Trail Boss finish and a Summit White paint finish. Inside the vehicle is 5-passenger seating on our jet black cloth seating surfaces. We have heated seats in the front of the vehicle, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a backup camera, trailer tow mode, as well as our front and rear park assist. Outside the vehicle, under the hood, we have our 5.3-liter V8 engine. We also have black alloy wheels, an automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, as well as our powered liftgate. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and rear window lock. Storage in the rest of the door, as well as our speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow and drive mode select, transfer case settings for our 4-wheel drive, as well as all of our interior and exterior lighting control. Electronic parking brake below. Back of the steering wheel, we have audio controls on either side. Power driver seat with power adjustable lumbar. Seat itself is finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In the center, we have our digital information system. You can see we have information page, a settings page, as well as our home page. Odometer at the bottom. The vehicle currently has 23,881 kilometers on it. Then on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings. Black bow tie in the center, our hands-free, as well as voice recognition on the right-hand side. Controls for that driver information system also here. Column shifters behind, and we have our volume controls for our audio on the back. Then we have a push-to-start ignition down to the right. Infotainment system in the middle. We have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Apple CarPlay, as well as our Android Auto. Then we have a 4G Lte Wi-Fi hotspot, trailer lights, OnStar, phone connection, and settings. Second page has our backup camera with adaptive as well as hitch guidelines. Below we have volume as well as mute, home, seek, back, and menu controls, as well as our tune. Then below that, dual zone front climate control. We have auto, sync, front rear defrost, as well as all of our settings for our AC and zones. Then we have our heated driver seat with 2 settings, as well as heated passenger seat with 2 settings. Front rear park assist sensors across the bottom, power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, and downhill assist. Below that we have our front power, USB-C, USB, 12-volt plug. Then we have storage, wheel locking key, as well as our key fob. On the key fob we have locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate, as well as our alarm system. 2 cup holders with some storage before our leather finished center console with some storage up top. Deep storage inside the center console. Passenger seat also finished in that same jet black cloth. Heated for the passenger with manual seat functions. Lastly, moving above the rear view mirror, we have OnStar settings at the front, as well as our dome lights with dome lighting controls. Now walking down the side in front of the vehicle. On the front, we have LED headlights, LED fog lamps, our black bow tie, as well as red tow hooks. Moving down the side of the vehicle, Z71 off-road badging before our front door. Our black LT Trail Boss Edition rims with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap and all-terrain tires. We also have black cap mirrors and black cap door handles with our deep tint rear and front windows. Trail Boss badging on the back of our bed. Also have our corner bumper steps. All the way around to the back, we have black Chevrolet etched into our tailgate, Silverado and LT also in black, Duochrome exhaust tips, and our trailer tow hitch. Powered tailgate that we can simply press on to open. Inside the bed of the truck, we have LED in-bed lighting, 3 cable tie-downs in both the front and the back on either side, and the bed is finished in a paint match Summit White. Moving into the back of our crew cab, we have our chrome door handle, power window control, as well as our storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. 2 cup holders with storage in the center of our 2 front seats. Dual vents, USB-C, USB, and 12-volt plug for charging. All-weather floor mats in a rubber finish throughout the vehicle. Second row seat, a 60/40 folding split, finished in jet black cloth. Center seat, we have our 2 foldable cup holders with some storage in the middle. On the outboard seats and under the seats, we have our storage package, which consists of the deep storage in the seats. If we lift up on the front of the seats, under seat storage, and we can also see the 60/40 split, allowing additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado LTD. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.